Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox auto quiet. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox auto quiet, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this page, you will enter to Roblox and you click here in this page of app info. You will enter to first stop and we click OK. Then we go to click storage. After that, we click clear cache, and in the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. Then you can update your application to fix your problems on Roblox. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.